Welcome to VedSid videos. We are going to do something new today. We are today going to make pizza. Let's go. First, let's look at the ingredients, right?
Right.
So, first we need a pizza flour. And then we need a little bit of salt. Then we need a little bit of yeast. And then we need olive oil and mozzarella cheese.
And tomato sauce.
Of course, we need a little bit of toppings.
Let's make some pizza!
So first, we need to put a pizza flour in a pan. And then we need to put salt, olive oil, and yeast. Mix it and put lukewarm water. And wait 1 hour. And when it's ready, it will look fluffy. Like this.
First, we have to make base and then put tomato sauce and toppings.
So we need to preheat the oven for pizza setting. We need 220 centigrade temperature. When the oven is ready, ask an adult to put the pizza inside the oven. Don't you do it because it's dangerous for kids.
So, let's eat this pizza. And you also make one at your home. And tell us in the comment below how your pizza tastes. Let's eat ours. Cheers!